Hello and welcome back to my series of videos about old calculators. Today I want to show you this one, which is from 1969, and this is a Victor 1400 and the model number 321, and I'll talk again about this later. And this is a very strange one because it looks weird, and there's a CRT display here, and when you switch it on, there's this kind of weird display that's very strange, but this is normal. So all you have to do is clear the screen and then you come back to normal. So before we go on how to use it, let me show you the inside. Alright, I removed the top cover, and when it's open like that, it's even weirder. I mean, it looks strange with this big CRT, the round one. Even though they use a square display on the CRT, they still went for a round one. And what can we see? Well, not much. We can see a very big transformer, which is not unusual for that time, 1969. And this is the driver board for the CRT, and all the logic, all the component for the logic for the calculator is on the board on the bottom here, and it's using IC, integrated circuit. So I don't know if we can see that, but everything is behind this big sheet of metal here, and it's not using transistors or diode like the other ones of that time. It went directly to the integrated circuit. And if you're curious, you can search for the other video that I had about the 9100 from Hewlett-Packard, and it was about the same size, maybe a little bit wider, but pretty much the same size, and was using only transistors and diode, but had all the scientific function like square root, sinus, and so on. So this one is extremely simple. All you can do is the basic for operation, plus, minus, multiply, divide, and there's not even a square root function on this one. So that's very simple, very basic. The other thing that's very simple is this big wheel here, and this is the floating point. So as you can see, you have only three choices: 0, 2, and 6. So obviously this is not a scientific computer. This is mostly for accounting and things like that. So let me put back the cover and well, take it for a ride. Okay, looks better this way. Switch on. And because it's a CRT, a small TV, it takes a few seconds to warm up, and this is what we get. So very strange display. It looks like the computer is not working at all, but this is normal. This is when nothing is initialized. So I initialize everything, and I have 6 decimal point. Yeah. So let me go back to 2. You put a number. I don't know, 5555. Plus 222, and here you're tempted to do equal. However, the best thing is to do plus again, and then you have your answer. And that's kind of fast. I mean, if you do like multiplication, 555 times 666 equal. See, that's less than a few milliseconds. I mean, not milliseconds, but a few tenths of a second to do all the calculation. So not bad. So like I said, very basic, not a lot of functions. You have a memory, memory recall, and the other thing that surprised me is this selection for the floating point, either 0, 2, or 6. So So again, this is the Victor 1400, and this is the model 321, and there's another one which is the 322. And if you look at the 322, there's a couple more buttons here on the keyboard. I'm not sure exactly what they do, but one of them is ST and looks like it's subtotal. But I think both of the machines were identical. Very nice look. I mean, at the time, I guess it was very futuristic and very interesting to see. But I'm going to make another video where I want to compare this one, the HP one, and the other one that I have in my collection, which is the Freeden 232. So you can see the difference between all of them. So thanks again, and hope to see you in another video soon.